All right, as we told you, we were not going to leave this truck alone for long, and we could not help but make some changes. We did not go crazy. We still kept it very era correct with white letter tires and some deep offset wheels. 33s, mud terrain, Cooper on 15x14 chrome Bart style modular wheels. If you've missed the previous videos on this truck, please go back and view it. This truck came in a couple weeks ago. We have since been working on it, waiting on the tires and wheels to come in, and a few other things. It is a very solid truck. The other video is extremely detailed. Clean interior. Nice dash. Nice headliner. Very nice seat. We did go ahead and do a safety inspection on it. There's your items for Virginia and the shop it was done. We did not do it ourselves. We had it done. Carpet's clean. Aftermarket stereo that does work. Now, one other thing, there's a very short run of these trucks in this year range that has this Y-Link steering. We all know that Y-Link steering is not so great. So it does have slight play in the steering. Noting that currently right now for you guys, if somebody purchases this truck, we will replace these factory tie rods with new, or we would recommend doing a steering upgrade where it has a normal steering bar and pitman arm connecting bar. It could go high steer, could go high clearance steering, crossover steering, whatever you want to do. All the different names for it, but if you're gonna go bigger, we could definitely suggest some options. If you want to change something on the truck, no problem. If you like the other tires and wheels, I do still currently have them. We do have another F-150 project truck that we may stick them on, but for now they're still available. I think it looks pretty great. Probably could have gone with 35s, but we did not want any rubbing situation, and currently it does not rub at all. Full lock, turn to turn, you're good. And the stance on the truck is great. Check that out, guys. A good looking F-150. Again, if you did not catch the first video, which is very thorough, in the showroom, much cleaner, crisper video, make sure to go watch it. It is up for sale, Davis Auto Sales. If you got any questions at all on this truck or any of our others, please let us know. Thanks for watching as always. Davis Drives on YouTube, Davis Auto Sales in Richmond. Check us out anytime or give us a call. Thanks again.